Here we go. We outside.
Very lightly, but it's
This
snowing.
is what it's looking like right now.
Why do it?
And it's actually crazy because it is still light.
And it's snowing for sure.
It's snowing and this is all, oh my god. Oh, a bunny! A bunny! All the way in that, there she goes. Sorry. Was me crunching in the snow? This is still basically covered. Oh, you really don't. Hold on. I'm zoomed out. Hold on. Zooming in. Literally. You're doing great, sweetie.
Thanks. How does
Hold
it look
on.
out here?
It's actually pretty bright. I'm
Let's
gonna
see.
turn the shit
Pretty bright.
around. Oh, like that.
Well, now we can see it. Like I'm gonna get you.
A hot fucking mess right now.
Cold. Ooh, the wind.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Get you too. I quit.
It's cold.
Blocking it. Don't we? We're going in. Stay tuned. Coming back in. Coco's on alert. What's happening, babies? You ready for a snowstorm? Coco, give me paw. Oh, kisses. I thank you. Paw. Paw? Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Ooh, baby girl. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Fuck you up, fuck you up, fuck you up. She's in her zone. Ooh, wanna get fucked up? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Smack that butt. Smack that butt.
Nice. And that is how it happens.
Good morning. It's fucking crazy out there. Andrea's under the covers, sleeping. Let me just show you that we cannot see out the window. Absolutely nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing. Okay, now hold that thought because I'm going to show you downstairs.
Give me your toy. Oh, there it is. Ooh.
Oh my god, she crazy.
Oh.
We can't see out the kitchen window either, but maybe out of this little... Yes. Look who's outside shoveling. Let's get a... Oh no.
Oh no.
That wind is
She
crazy.
can't even look that way. She should just start from the other side, go over it, and come this way. No, this is bad. Imagine I'm stuck here tonight.
She made it. She's cleaning off the outside door. So proud of you.
No!
She did it!
I'm officially an astronaut.
Just came out to, hold on, reshovel the front because we need to be able to open our door. Just fucking take a look. This is literally, hold on. Because I don't want to get my camera wet. This is insanity. You can't even tell, can you? Those are our stairs. 3 stairs up and look at the level of that.
Oh,
Yeah.
can't
Yeah.
even open it.
Yeah. It's a while.
You can see the snow. That's what I want.
It's perfect. Wait, on the first shot. It's absolutely
I
perfect.
hit record when I was like this.
Wait, how were you?
Blowing in my eyes.
We look
literally.
great. We look great. Here's a little mirror shot. Andrea, you're so little. Where are you? Wait, I can't see. Okay, there we go.
Oh.
Okay, my neighbor is outside. Again, he was out earlier too. He's doing the damn thing all by himself. And he did his whole driveway, even though you probably can't tell. And all of us, usually I work with this house and my neighbor next door. Not, oh, well, them this year too, but next door, Marco. Nobody is out, but normally we would have been out and already started on this, but it's a little crazy. We are about to take on the outside world with layers on to meet my neighbors who have started, which I can't even see if you can see right now, but Lord be with us. We're not ready. We're not ready. We belong together. Bundled up.
Can't believe this shit.
Ready to go. Gonna put our Uggs on. Because that's what we came to do.
We're
going on a trip. Just so you can see what we have. Oh God. Just shoveled this, by the way, and here we are. Big steps, all of this. Literally, this is our mudroom. We have 3 stairs that are right there. It's taller than the stairs. It's reaching the mudroom. Absolute insanity. If only you knew what we just did for an hour and a half longer. Came out at the right time. Hi, friend. You're doing great, sir. Or ma'am. We can see ground here.